sour. All right. So we're gonna the ingredients is lime juice, Pisco, and simple syrup, like for sugar, that we will do here. So we're gonna be making our traditional Pisco sour.
All right.
All right.
So the first thing I do here,
All right.
I'm going to do what you do.
One ounce of lime juice.
In here.
¿Hasta dónde viene?
Full. That goes full.
Half, right? Yes.
Okay.
All right. Egg whites.
Egg white. Same amount.
1 ounce, right?
Same.
Half. There's that. That's the egg whites.
Sugar. Is this the syrup?
That's a simple syrup, yeah.
Okay.
Same amount?
Same amount. So it's 3-1-1-1. 3-1-1. So,
I know what the 3 is.
yes, the special
3
ingredient.
is coming. Yes. Okay.
Pisco. 3 ounces.
So look at this.
So this is one, es un y medio esto, ¿no? Sí. So this is 1.5, so 2 full ones.
2 full ones.
Yeah, it's 1.5. ¿Llenas dos?
Sí, llena y entra la mitad.
1 full and then half of the other one. Half of that one. That's a 2 ounces.
Okay. So is this just any Pisco, regular Pisco?
The quebranta. It's like different types, but the one that we use is quebranta. It's the more traditional one. There's like Italia, it's more aromatic. There's like Torotel, more bitter. There's Acholado, but we use a traditional one, quebranta.
Very strong.
Yes. I say sweet, then after that with the sugar. Now we're gonna put some ice.
So all of this is in the shaker.
Yes.
Okay, and now I just
Enseña
put
la
that in.
técnica. Alright, enséñala a cerrarlo.
Did I
Porque
get
no
that
la
in
pincho
right?
out.
Okay. So it doesn't
Now,
go.
a ver, chequéalo.
Okay.
Tú, dale. You're gonna do it first, so let me do it.
Okay.
There.
Okay.
Done?
Done?
Y para,
Now what?
She's gonna take it out because I'm not drinking.
Oh, you squeeze it. Okay. And then we have to strain it. So it looks like
I'm gonna
a
strain it there.
okay. And pour it into there, into there. Okay.
Slow.
Yeah,
First Pisco sour.
My dad would be so proud. There I go. Will it all?
Hace su corazoncito
Do I
ahí.
fill it all the way up?
Yeah,
Yep.
you
Just
empty
empty
it.
it. Okay. That's it?
Tú haz esa parte.
And what is this?
Medicine probably.
Like, una.
That's it?
Okay.
It's beautiful.
Ready?
Cheers.
Alright, salud. Good? Alright. Salud. Salud. You're welcome.
No, you need one.
Okay,
You all
now-
need one.